Alright, first observation. Door boot gasket needs to be replaced due to cosmetics and mold. These are door sports. It's a result of wet environment. Effective way. Alright, so this front panel has to be removed. This actually has a specialty tool that's required in order to getting it off is the easy part. So, specialty clip in order to compress this spring. Replace this part. I'm going to line this up at the 12 o'clock position and this at the 6 o'clock position. This groove edge is where it sits into. Putting this boot on without using some type of lubrication in here will be almost impossible. Possible, but very difficult. Recommendation is soapy water or detergent. Liquid detergent will be just fine. Just want to pour it right down in here and lube it up really well, and it should slide right into place. Alright, this is just liquid detergent. Put the edges really well. I'm just going to leave that in there. Like so. Just press it into place. Once you get that edge into position, trim edge right on up. pull that spring until it mates and secure like that. Having this lubricated also. Makes it slide easily against the rubber on the boot. Can cause it to stick. With this lubricated, it'll slide right into place. Right into that groove. I may not need a specialty tool because of the loads of wash and the stress that's on the door boot stretches that spring. And that's installed. Just want to verify that that spring is secured in place. I don't feel it in the groove. We'll do that again. Now that the main securing strap is in place, let me hold this gasket in place now. Make sure that it's all the way around in the edge. Alright, gotta make sure it's all the way secure, it will slide out of place. any watertight bearing you have, or bearing that you have, or barrier that you have from having a flood. So you want to make sure that both securing straps or retainers are nice and secure. No chance of any water breach. Lubrication is very important. Makes this job real easy. Detergent, liquid detergent. Recap or overview. LG washer, cosmetic. Door boot was pitting with mold. Replaced door boot. New gasket, door boot gasket secured properly and tight. Run a load, check for any water breach. Unit should test good. Well, I think that's all the water that the water pressure is going to allow into this washing machine. LG design. And this water sensing network, based off of how much water is absorbed in the clothes, will determine how much water is allowed into the washing machine. This is about a 15-20-year-old design. So on a full load, the water should slosh along this rim edge here with clothes in the washing machine. So without any clothes, it's not going to allow any water to enter high enough to see if there's going to be a breach. But you do got a little bit of splash over. And it appears that the door is seamed tight seal along the edges here. I'm pretty satisfied. If there's going to be a breach, just let me know. I'll come back and make adjustments. Other than that, unit tests good.